The candle warmer lamp is an elegant and practical home decor piece designed for warming jar candles without an open flame. It features adjustable height, dimmable lighting, and a built-in timer for convenience, allowing you to control the scent intensity and create a cozy ambience. Equipped with 2 bulbs, this warmer is also compatible with wax melts, making it versatile for any fragrance lover's space. The Crystal Tree of Life is a handmade bonsai crafted with 7 chakra healing crystals, designed to bring positive energy, good fortune, and harmony to any space. Each crystal branch represents a chakra, promoting balance and wellness. Perfect for home or office decor, this beautiful piece is ideal for a living room centerpiece, desk accent, or as a thoughtful birthday gift for loved ones who appreciate meaningful decor. The stuffed animal storage hammock is a large, durable net designed for organizing and displaying plush toys in a fun and accessible way. Perfect for adding charm to kids' rooms, nurseries, or playrooms, this corner hammock keeps plushies off the floor while creating a cozy, organized atmosphere. Ideal for easy access and room decor, it's a practical and cute storage solution for any stuffed animal collection. The YesCool weighted blanket is tailored for adults seeking a restful night's sleep, especially for those weighing between 190 to 210 pounds. Weighing 20 pounds and measuring 60 inches by 80 inches, queen size, this cooling, breathable blanket is designed for optimal comfort. Filled with premium glass beads for even weight distribution, it's machine washable, adding convenience to comfort. Perfect for relaxation and improved sleep quality, the elegant gray design complements any bedroom decor. The Art 3D Wall Panels 3D wall panel set features 33 black, diamond patterned panels designed to add a modern, textured touch to interior spaces. Made from durable PVC, these 12-inch by 12-inch panels cover 32 square feet and are perfect for enhancing the aesthetic of living rooms, lobbies, bedrooms, hotels, or offices. Their 3D flower texture brings depth and visual interest, creating a unique statement wall that elevates any room's decor.